Good morning, campers. Welcome back. Today we're at Idle Valley Nature Reserve. I'm in the Mini Explorer. He's got his nature book, see what we can find. It's in Retford, Nottinghamshire. Just gonna have a look around, see if we can find some animals. Take a pew up somewhere and have a pot noodle. Should be good. So I hope you enjoy this one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe, please. Peace out.
Dad.
That's it, guys. Found some rabbit droppings. There's loads of little holes about, so there must be some rabbits around. Hopefully we'll see one or two. There we go, guys, found a nice little spot on the edge of the water. A little bit of woods. This guy, apples and grapes, nice. So we come across there, through here, bosh. I'm just going to chill here, have some food, have a little brew, you know how we do, look out for some wildlife. Get the bend on that tree then. That was crazy.
Found wildlife. Slug.
Found a slug, nice. What's that over there, a coot?
Or is it a moorhen?
Can't see what colour its nose is. I think it might be a coot. See white on its side. I think it's got a white nose. Or beak. Whatever it is.
Beak.
Beak.
Or bell.
Or bill.
Hello, Bell.
Hello, Bill. Alright, so thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.
A Canadian goose.
Nice. Look like coming away.
Maybe they want some apples.
So the Canadian goose is only found in the Arctic, North America,
Introduced to Europe.
introduced Europe, habitat wetland. Canadian geese breed in the north and migrate south in the autumn. Following the same route year after year, they graze on water and land plants. Oh, there. Because I was reading. Oh, look at these guys from across the other side of the pond. Quite cool. They're coming well close to us.
Maybe they want some land or water plants.
Oh, hello. They ain't cooking their food, or it's what can I smell? And this is where they come to graze normally. Maybe we've nicked their spot. It's normally their camping spot. Beautiful colours, aren't they?
Yeah.
Look super soft.
White, brown, and black. And a bit of grey.
Nice. See you later, geese. Take it easy. Like insects, don't they? Yeah, like metal bugs.
Butterflies and spiders.
They're so cool.
It's a butterfly.
It's amazing. Oh look, there's more. They're awesome. Oh, there's some more down here as well. Someone's been practicing making dens. That's awesome, isn't it? How cool that is. Cute little area. Your benches. So cool.
This is my new house.
You moved in.
Yes. Actually, I'm actually it.
That's it. You're sorted then, aren't you?
Yeah.
Right. I'll see you when I come round for dinner then.
Okay.
What are you going to make me?
And lasagna.
Sounds good to me. Protein. Little baby one. Look how fluffy he is.
And it was made in this man-made environment.
That's why it's important, isn't it? For places like this. It's turbine, there's one as well.
It's a baby.
What, more babies?
What kind of bird is this?
I think they're coots. Don't scare it.
Oh, it looks so fluffy.
It does look really fluffy.
No, can I have a pet? Can I have a pet one?
I don't think so.
No, pet it.
Oh, no. You scare it. You won't let you pet it. Why you get scared?
Designed just for going in the water.
Flippers, aren't they? So they've got webbed feet.
But they have long toes.
Like, do you know when divers put their flippers on?
Yeah.
They're designed the same, aren't they?
Yeah, but they don't have that thing.
What?
That thing in the middle of the toes.
Oh, don't they?
No. It's just like in a book. Go to the wetlands bit. It's just like this.
What, they don't have flippers, they have them?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Cool.
if there's like a little minnow under it?
Maybe. Shall we head back to the car now then?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we check out that crystal stream?
Alright, thank you for watching, guys. We're going to head back to the car now. We hope you enjoyed this one. And please don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
good man. So many rabbits. This little tiny one next to us.
Doesn't know what we are.
Oh, they look super soft, don't they?
Oh, can I have a pet one of these as well?
Just pet one of every.
Yep, I pet one of every baby. Even a baby bear.
Baby bear.
Baby everything.
How are you going to keep them up?
Yeah, just keep every baby. Except for human babies.
See you later, Bunny Rabbit. Peter Rabbit. See you later, Peter.
But where's his...
Little cow over there. What is it?
Texas Longhorn.
Texas Longhorn. If you can see it's the ones from here. They are pretty long though. What's not like it is showing us his butt. What are you saying, Clever Clogs? What are these trees?
Scots pine.
Scots pines. That's so clever. These tall ones here.
I'm a clever one.
Seeing all the little babies today.
This old ranch. It's for triplets. When one does it, two others do it.